we are. Bikes Omega finally got a good vlogging set, and we're about to take this on the ride. This is pretty much the best setup you can get right now in 2020 in terms of clarity, 4K video, and a clear windproof, hopefully windproof. We're about to try it out, so I'm just going to explain to you what it is real quick, and then we're going to go take it on a ride so you can see how it works. But essentially, it's 3 components here, and it was kind of annoying to set up, especially the microphone, because I wanted everything perfect. But I'm filming with my phone right now, and this video I'm about to take you on when we go for a ride is only going to be in 1080, 60 frames per second, because I'm filming with my phone and I don't want a separate format for when I take it on the bike. It just wouldn't work out for editing. So first component, let's get to it, is an aluminum arm. If you have a certain helmet, before you purchase this, if you're looking to get one, make sure your helmet can support just a front mount for the GoPro. If it's kind of flat and can take the sticky, I would recommend that. You wouldn't need to buy the arm or anything extra. Unfortunately, the Shoei's a little bit more curved, if you could see. So I have that mount. Next, of course, is the GoPro Hero 8 4K with the media mod. And that purpose of the media mod, the only reason I got that is to plug in this 35mm mic, because unfortunately GoPro did the whole Apple thing, did you dirty, and made you buy an $80 component if you want to, use additional items that they make you just format it to their way. Important to note though, a lot of people don't know this, they say the media mod's trash. It's not. You need a 2-ring 35mm jack, not the 3-ring. The 3-ring will fit in there and it'll be loose, but it'll make popping sounds and it won't be good. So luckily, this microphone I got, this fuzzy thing, that fuzzy thing you see, I'm sure it has a name, but I'm not microphone savvy, that reduces wind noise. So that's what that effect does. And this is the Purple Panda lavalier, or however you say it, I don't know. Again, not a big mic person. That's what that is. Very cool. It's about 40 bucks, not too bad. Comes with the adapter, so it comes with the 3-ring or the 2-ring. So you buy this microphone, you're safe for the GoPro Hero mod. Those 3 things. Just placing it in. It rests against my cheek, but I did a test sound with my phone, and it sounds pretty good, but we're going to do the full test, see how it sounds on the freeway on a sports bike going pretty fast. See, I hooked it in that strap right there. Enough talking, you've seen it, now let's see it in action. Alright, we're just going to leave the face shield closed and test it out at first. I don't really plan on vlogging with the windshield open. Good 1080, 60 frames per second right now. Again, I'm normally going to shoot in 4K and publish in 4K, but because I just had the cell phone recording, I'm going to leave it in 1080 for now. Later videos, if you want to check out, go ahead and subscribe if you want to see what 4K looks like. That's going to be coming out soon. Next video will be like a 4K test run. See how smooth that looks. There it is, the freeway, our target. All right, here we go, freeway time. See what this thing can do. All right, we're going about 65 right now. Testing it out here. Engine revs are high. 65. Got a little bit of traffic, so couldn't open up right away, but all right. This is it. This is a microphone setup that you saw. This is a GoPro at 1080, 60 frames per second. And this is us going 70. I hope it sounds good. This is wind noise without engine, with the clutch held in. And we'll turn around, head back home on the freeway. Oh, dirty move, I can't make a left. Oh, you dirty highway, you. Motorcycles do not like U-turns. go down this windy road, see where it goes. A little fun route. A little Saturday bike ride. Take the scenic route here. Down in the south. Road work? I sure hope it does. Anyone? Sorry. I'll show myself out. What is this? Oh, it's a school. Not supposed to be within 500 feet of these things, but we're taking a little risk here. Just kidding about that 500 feet thing, guys. I'm not like that. Don't want you to get any bad thoughts. Made it safe. Gonna live to ride another day. Like always. Be safe. Stay safe out there.